In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting the right way, whether you're hosting a business meeting, a virtual classroom, or just catching up with friends. Knowing how to share your screen effectively is essential. Let's dive right in and get started. First, start by signing into your Microsoft Teams account. It might seem obvious, but every action in Teams begins with being logged in. Make sure your internet connection is stable so your meeting runs smoothly. Once signed in, locate the video camera icon on your Teams interface. This is your gateway to starting a video call or meeting. Icon to enter the meeting platform. You'll usually find it at the top right corner. This is your first step toward connecting with your participants. Next, start your meeting. After clicking the video icon, select Start Meeting. This is where you pave the way for others to join and interact. Take a moment to check your microphone and camera to ensure everything works properly. You don't want technical issues when the spotlight is on you. Now comes the exciting part, sharing your screen. On the meeting control panel, look for the Share button, usually represented by an upward arrow emerging from a box. Click it to open the sharing options. This is like opening a curtain on stage, revealing your content to your audience. You'll then decide what to share. Teams gives you options, your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Choose what fits your presentation needs best. Sharing your entire screen gives everyone a complete view of your desktop, while sharing a window or tab keeps the focus precise. Once you've made your selection, confirm any prompts that appear, and you're ready to transmit your content, be it a presentation, document, or tutorial, directly to your audience. This ensures smooth, cohesive communication and makes your meeting more effective. And that's it. Sharing your screen in Microsoft Teams is straightforward. Remember to practice before major presentations so you feel confident with the controls. Thanks for tuning in and happy sharing.